Happy New Year's Eve. I am all dressed up, ready to go hang out with family, and I wanted to show you my new Melinda Maria box. This is their mystery box, so I don't know what came in it. I put in the order. I'm super excited. I'm going to give you the details in my little caption here. But as always, I love their packaging. The boxes are so cute. And then I love this velvet purple packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to have everything listed, what it's called, below. That way, if you see something like, you know what you're looking for. First is the set of earrings. How cute are these? Let me see if I can, there we go. The pearl, and then you've got these little pretty bling on top. And you can also take the pearl off. You can adjust to which level you put it on, or just wear the little stud if you want. I'm excited for that. I might actually wear that today. I just got my second piercing like a week ago, so I'm having fun with earrings right now. Here's package number 2. Ooh, there's more earrings, and these are really cute too. I'm like really into earrings now that I've gotten this piercing. Oh, these are cute. Actually, I might wear these. So it's a hoop, and then you've got the little dangle too. I like that. That'll match this really well. So I'm gonna put these on in just a minute. We've got 2 more in here. Look at this cute bracelet. It's like a cute little chain link. I'll be wearing this today too. I just love all the detailing on their products. And here's the last one. Ooh, it's a necklace. Oh, and I love this. I actually have a ring and some earrings from them that would match this pretty well. That is so cute. Okay, can you see it? I love these. Okay, I'll make another video where I'm wearing everything, but let me put those earrings in since I don't have earrings on yet. Oh, that looks so cute, you guys. We're gonna finish getting ready for New Year's Eve. I hope you guys have a great night and have fun picking some new jewelry out.